What up, man? Shit, boy, Twin, man. You already know what time it is. Look, man. Shout out to all my subscribers, man. Look, man. I've done this tape one time before, and something was posted that pissed me off. It didn't piss me off at the moment, but when I mentioned it in the video, it pissed me off. You know what I mean? So I said, yo, I'm not gonna upload that. You know what I mean? Because it agitated me to the point that I ain't even want to finish the video. You know what I mean? So we about to get into oh my god, this shouldn't be right here. 628. We're gonna use 628, but I just did that because I tried to get my webcam. I'm trying to get the camera best quality possible. It's daytime right now. I think we good as far as quality, but during the nighttime, like when it's nighttime and I want to shoot and I want to get you guys the footage nighttime, that's where I need to make sure everything is good. So I'm using natural light and lamp lights right now. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get straight into it. This video is gonna be long because I was gonna just skim through it, but I'm gonna bring you guys the same video. It's not the same video because of course it's not gonna be the same video, but better quality, and hopefully you guys, you know what I mean, is get it. There's the 21st, so more than likely you're gonna get it early the 22nd, cause the rendering time is gonna be up there. You get what I'm saying? So let's get into it. My bad. Pringles are okay, but I tell you, people that stop.
Niggas don't know what's hot, they don't. Niggas don't know what's hot, they don't. Niggas don't know what's happening, or they just blind to the fact that it's hot. That's true. Niggas don't know what's hot, they don't. Niggas don't know what's hot, they don't. Niggas don't know what's happening, or they just blind to the fact.
Alright, man, so I wrote the numbers out on my little index card, right? I wrote the numbers out. What we gonna do? Let me see. Okay, this one right here. Now, shout out to I think Maxine Nero, and shout out to my donators. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna see them right here. I got it right now, right here. I'm probably pointing the wrong thing. I had Taisha, but that was the young lady's. That was the lady's daughter. My bad. So shout out to Roxanne. And I've had another donator, so you're gonna be in the next lottery video. I didn't want to put both of y'all in the thing. Roxanne, shout out to Roxanne. Miss Roxanne, shout out to you. Thank you for the donation. And shout out to my boy Terry R. My phone is ringing. Hold on, yo. But shout out to Roxanne and shout out to my boy y'all. You know what I mean? Top donator. Like if I cut it out the video, that's why that little pause was there, because I had a phone call or whatever. But shout out to my boy Terry R. And shout out to Miss Roxanne, right? My next donator is going to be down here because she did donate. And like I said, I'm going to put it in my lottery videos. This is going to be the top donation, right? And this is going to be the most recent, as you can see. I just had to explain that so y'all wouldn't be, you know what I mean? Last video was, like I said, I'm redoing the whole video. We're going to get straight into it. Don't worry. All my real subs, y'all with me. Y'all still with me. All right. Now, I wrote the numbers down on this index card right here because, like I said, the previous tape before this one, which is a day ago, I actually done it, and the numbers that I used was just like the numbers on the first video, which I came out with the number that when I play with this method, that number doesn't come out. So I gotta go find another pattern. You get what I'm saying? We're gonna get straight into it. Alright, so let's just say that let's say 079 came out, right? 079 came out, right? 079 came out, and your next hit that came out from 079 was 244, right? 244. So starting off, this is basically what you're starting off. Basically, put it like this. Let me break it down for you. I'm talking about 2 draws. If you got 3 draws, just adjust accordingly. If your number came out during the nighttime, say 079 came out during the nighttime, right? And then the next daytime, the next draw during the daytime, it came 244. You're going to use those 2 draws to find your next night draw. You get what I'm saying? So 079 came out night. Then the next day it came 244. So in that same day night draw, that's the number that you're going to find. You get what I'm saying? So if 079 came out during the daytime, that means 244 came out during the nighttime. That means you're going to find your next day. The next day draw is going to be your next number. You get what I'm saying? Breaking that down, because one of my subs say that that I lost him. So I want to make sure, I want to make sure we get it. Now, in this instance, it doesn't matter. You want to say day, you want to say night, whatever you want to say, we can use whatever, right? This right here is the number that we're going to use. 244 is our number. This is present day, right? Say 244 is present day. We want to find out what the next draw is going to be, right? What the next, let me take this down. Next draw is going to be, so I have me some space. What the next draw is going to be, right? So with that, we're going to find even, odd, odd, brings even, 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 right? That's the first part. That's just like, I'm not even gonna label this part because we're like on the third part, right? But we on the second part. Even, odd, odd brings all even numbers, right? So now you want, now all my advanced lotto heads, I haven't done this, but you could even look at it as even high, odd high, like this. I ain't trying to confuse nobody, so just ignore this, cause I don't do it, but you could do this. You see what I'm saying? Low, 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 low. You see what I'm saying? So in this case, if you want to, if you do this the first time and you see it's not working like you want to, maybe go back and alter it. So you got an even, odd number, but it's an even high, odd high. So now you got to find even. Okay, this say what's this? This is the number that we got. Even, low, low, low. So say all high numbers brought all low numbers, and all even, odd numbers here brought all even numbers, right? So if your numbers here would be 2, 2, 2, right? Okay, whatever. Y'all get what I'm saying. You would use this. Ignore this, because I don't really use this. But I'm saying you want to get advanced. You want to go another step closer, because I'm not going to mention everything in the video. I could, but as you just seen right there, I could be confusing some people. But I don't do this right here. So with that being said, we're going to use 244. So let's just say we go find the even, odd number. Even, odd number that we're going to find is 0, 5, 3, right? Oh yeah, that's what I meant to say. It wasn't my markers last time. It was the camera, my webcam not focused. It wasn't focused at all. That's what it was. It wasn't the markers at all. It was the focus. You know what I mean? You can look at the video and tell that it was not focused. 0, 5, 3, which is an even, odd number, right? Even, odd number. That has to bring an even, even number, right? So the number that we found was 6, 2, 8, right? All of these numbers are examples. So just follow along with me and you're going to get it. You're going to get it just like that. Even, odd brings all even numbers, right? So being that we found this is the number that we went and looked for. This is the hit what we're trying to find. This is the hit that we're trying to find. We're going to find right here. These numbers right here are the numbers that we went and researched within the year. I didn't say that in the last video, but within 2017, that's what I used. Anything, if I can't find anything, this is why I told you guys. Remember a while back I said if nothing's there, I do not play. If no pattern like this, even, odd brings even. Let's say on day to night, if it's not from day to night, even, odd to all even numbers. If I can't find a pattern like that within the year of 2017, I do not play. I do not play. You get what I'm saying? So I would, if you like this method, I would start off like that. Just don't play. But if you start running into a couple of numbers and then you may run that number and then it doesn't come out, this method doesn't work, maybe you want to try going into other years. Or if you have a particular year, all my advanced lotto heads, you already got particular years that you look at. Me personally, I like 2008, 2009, 2002, 2012. You get what I'm saying? I like those years in particular. When the number falls in that year, those set of years, I know that I am that much closer to a hit. You get what I'm saying? Alright, so y'all understand, I only use the year that we're in. So when 2018 comes up, I'm going to write 2018. When 2018 comes up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take maybe the first couple of weeks of January. I got to, you know what I mean? Because I'm running this lottery channel. I got to be able to, if y'all ask me if it still work, I got to be able to tell y'all. I'm going to use it, and I'm going to use the numbers from 2017. You get what I'm saying? Because we don't have enough. I'm going to use the numbers that came out in 2018. So say it's the 15th of January, right? From the 15th on back to the 1st of January, I'm going to use all of those numbers. Hopefully a number hit. But I'm also going to go back to the year of 2017. You get what I'm saying? Because we're not going to be that deep into 2018 in order for me to have enough research and information to actually pull what I need to pull this pattern right here. You get what I'm saying? This is our hit. This is our present day right here. This is our present day. Can I use another marker? Let's use red. This is our present day, even though I'm about to erase this. But this is our present day right here. 079 brings 244. But the pattern that we went and found was 053 brings 628. Y'all with me? Alright. Now 628, we found out. All we got to do is look at the number. 628 ended up bringing 924. Right? So it ended up bringing an odd, even number. Right? So up here we know it's going to bring an odd, even number. Y'all with me? I wrote high as hell, so hopefully y'all gonna be able to see it. It should be great quality because I actually took the time to get the settings right. Like it took me 2 days to get the settings right. Excuse me. Odd, even, right? That's what we know. That's going to be. So all this information right here is irrelevant now because we already got it. So these two numbers right here are irrelevant, even though we know 6, right? 6, and then this is 8. So 8 brought 6. 8 brought 6. 6. Let's say 8 brought 6. 6 brought 5, right? And then let's say 6 brought 8 and 10 brought 10, and 10 should bring, it should be down 1, should bring 9, right? We just gonna write that up there for my sake and your sake, my advanced lotto heads. Now, once we got this information, only two numbers that we're going to be using is 244, 628, right? So we're going to erase. We're going to erase so we can have us some space, right? Right? So we can have us some space out here. You know what I mean? All right. So 628 right here. We're going to go ahead and write 628. Matter of fact, let's switch it up. 628. 628 brought 924. Right? Brought 924. That's all we need. That's all we need, right? 628 brought 924, and 244 is our last hit. Our last hit, the hit that you're looking at right now to find a hit for tonight. Right? So 244, and you write your parentheses, right? Go ahead and erase this, get this out the way. I just kept it up here until I actually wrote the information down. Oh, odd, even number is what we're going to figure out. Right? So how did they get that 924? We moving on. How did they get that 924? 6 plus what? 3 gives 9. 2 plus 0 gives 2. 8 plus 6 gives 4. Right? So they added 306. Make sure we good. 306. Right? So on this side, you're going to do, once you get that number there now, like I said, let's go to it. Okay. This number right here is the key. So 306, we're going to add 306, right? But if we come out with a number that's the replica of that number, from my experience, it does not work. So we come out with 540, right? 540, we right? Yeah, 540. Now, if this number came out 2 plus 2, if this number came out 546, say this number came out 546, is a replica of that number because 9, 2, never mind the 9, but 2 plus 2 gives 4. Excuse me. 2 plus 2 gives you 4, right? So 4 plus 2 gives you what? 6. So if this was 546, the number would not work. It would be just like that 197 in the previous video, right? It would not work. I'm saying it would not work, but in your state, it may work. So if you do come out with a number like that, just take your chance and put 50 cents on it or watch it. And if it do work like that, you know your state works like that. You get what I'm saying? Your state isn't going to be the same as my state. Y'all gotta really play with this, right? All right, so 540, right? That's the number that we got. So now our next step, what's our next step? Y'all know our next step, right? Our next step is, we're going to write it down here. 0, -2. No, 0, 2, and -2. Excuse me. Excuse me. 0, 2. Am I right? Because it's two different ways here. And -2. This is the main way right here. 0, 2, -2. This is your rundown. This is your rundown after you get this number. Now, some states, like I just said, that number may be your hit. In some states, this number may... Okay, hold up. Let's use red. Y'all still with me. I know y'all still with me. Y'all still with me. Y'all ain't slow. Y'all ain't slow. 540 may be your state. Maybe your state. Illinois, this may be your hit. That may be your hit. Florida, that may be your hit. 306 may be your hit. And keep in mind, with a number like that, I found that also works like when you go look at, is it 2002? It's either 2002 or 2012. If you actually do, I actually think I put a video up about the method. If you actually do that and you go find certain numbers like this, that number right there is actually the number that will hit during that day. It's crazy. It's bananas. I can get into that whole nother video. But these two numbers right here, keep in mind that these two numbers may hit. So you may do all of this, and then when you come back and look at your rundown, you be like, God damn it, that 306 actually came out. That's the number that I use. You get what I'm saying? So now you know for your state, for your benefit, that that's the number. That number also works. Well, you know that number works. Forget the rundown that I done. Know that number worked. You get what I'm saying? Oh, okay. Hold up. We skipped over part. My bad. Okay. I gotta rewrite this. Okay, hold up. I gotta rewrite this. Just in case somebody's watching this for the first time. Okay, look. 053, right? We had 053, which equals 8, right? And then no. We had 6. Okay, we're gonna do that after we do this. This is the main, this is the nucleus of the whole thing. We're gonna do this first, then we're gonna go back. We got enough time. We good. We got the webcam, we got the computer. We good. Now with this, you're gonna put 540 and you're gonna add it as a rundown. 540, right? You're gonna do it as a rundown. So 0 minus 2 is what? 8. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Right? There's no need to write the other one, but you could. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. I doubt if y'all see that. Y'all gonna have to see it because I wrote it. Shit. Y'all gonna have to see it because I wrote it. Hopefully y'all still good. Especially my people with the vision impaired. Hopefully y'all can still see it because it's gonna be zoomed out more than it usually is because I gotta put my board and everything else. But 540 and then you do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, and 4. Then you just add 4. I mean add 5, excuse me. Because 5 plus 0 is what? 5, right? Right now, we gonna go back on steps. Hopefully I don't forget. We're gonna go back. Now, once you've done this rundown, you're gonna look at this number right here. Oh my God. This board right here that I got, this thing, the chuck where the eraser is supposed to be placed at, this space is so small. Like, come on, bro. 2. Now you're gonna look at these two numbers right here. Please don't let me don't let me that I lost anybody. These two numbers right here, right? These two numbers right here. You're gonna look at those two numbers. First part. 2 plus what gives you 4? 2 plus 2. That's what I usually do when I write it. I do 2 plus 2, right? 2 plus 2. So over here, in this rundown, you're going to find the second number. You're going to use the second number. You're going to find the second number and you're going to add 2. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. That's not a 6, so we're not going to use that. We're not going to use that. 6 plus 2 gives you what? 8. We're going to use that. 8 plus 2 gives you what? 0, so we're not going to use that. 0 plus 2, you get what I'm saying. We're not going to use that. We're not going to use that, right? 5, 6, 8 will be our hit. Exact. You dig me? You dig me? So, using this as the same as 924, 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. And what did we say it was going to be an odd, even number? And we said it was going to equal 9, right? 6 brought 0. 0 is going to bring 9. 5 and 4 is what? 9. Right? So that's going to be your exact hit. Y'all with me? Y'all with me? That's how I do it. That's the main way that I do it. That's the main way that I do it. You dig me? Now, like I said, if I can't find a pattern like that, I don't play. And then if I come up with the same number, say this was 5, 4, 6, like I said, I would have to go find a whole nother set of numbers. You get what I'm saying? Not this number, because it's the number that came out. We would have to find another number. It wouldn't be 628 brings 924. It might be a whole nother number, right? Now, staying on this, so I can get it all in one before we go back over what I was saying, because I think I got to alter the numbers. 540, well, like I said, this is another way to do it. It's 0, what did I have? 0, it's 0, negative 2, plus 2, right? Run down, then you put the number that you came out with, 5, 4, 0, excuse me. And the second number is going to be the number that came out. It has happened twice for me. I didn't hit because, like I said, that's how I figured it out. My information consists of me following the draw and knowing. Like I said, this method here, anybody say they made this method up, they're damn lie. I'm the one watch these numbers. Once you're dealing with these numbers, you find little nooks and crannies, and you're gonna find ways. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 522 would be your hit using this 0 minus 2 plus 2 method. Hell, if that's all you take from the video, that's a method right there. So you got multiple, like I said, multiple ways to win pick 3 in this. This right here, let me see, can we use blue? I doubt if we can use blue. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. That a way to get a hit. That's a hit. That 540, that's a hit. This 0 minus 2 plus 2, that's a hit. Right? That's a hit. 3 different hits right there. Alright, now let's get into what I missed out, that I forgot, that I mentioned in the first video. Alright. Let's see if we can get this. Alright. Let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it freelance, right? Say your number is let's just use generic numbers. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3 brought 0, 8, 8, right? Let's say 6 brought 6, right? 6 brought 6. So now you're gonna write 6 brings 6, which you ain't usually gotta run it down because you know 6 brings 6. So that means 7's gonna bring 7, right? 8 gonna bring 8, 9 gonna bring 9, 0 gonna bring 0, 1 gonna bring 1, 2 gonna bring 2, and so forth, right? This is the part that I forgot to put up. This is a very important part. You know what I mean? Because once you do this, say 1, 2, 3, 0, 8, 8, right? That's what came out. We're gonna find the next hit. So now we gotta find a number that's odd, even, odd, that brings all even numbers, right? Which, for example, let's say we find, now we're gonna do our research. The research that we find 5, 8, 7, right? That's 5 and 5, that's 0. So 0 gotta bring 0. So for this example, 5 and 5, so all even numbers, we're gonna do 2, 8, 0, right? 0 brings 0. Don't 0 bring 0 right here? Huh? 0 brings 0 right here. So that number right there would be your best example. So going off of that example, that's the number that we would use in our history that we found, right? To find this number. Let's erase this because we got it. We got it, right? Because I'm just basically doing the example over. Hopefully we won't come out with the same different number. And let's say for the example, when you looked at the research, 280 ended up bringing, let's get a number that somebody said they want to come out. Give me a number somebody connect. Oh man, I cannot remember. Come on, give me a number that somebody said. I think did somebody say 413? 413? Let's just say 413, right? Even, odd number, right? So this number's up here gonna be even, odd number, right? 413. How did they get that 413? We start with the 280 parentheses 413, right? You find the x. X being 2 plus 2 brings you 4. 8 plus 3 brings you 1. 0 plus 3 brings you 3, right? 413. So now that 280 right here, that 280 is the same as that 088. Please don't get confused when I say it's the same. It's the same number. So 280 is going to be treated just like that 088. Well, 088 is going to be treated just like that 280. Right? The 088 is what came out, and we're trying to find the next draw for tonight or tomorrow, whatever you're doing. The 280 is the number that we found in our research. So 088 plus 233 should bring 112. It should bring 211. Right? Now this is perfect. This worked out perfect. 211, right? Once you find that 211, that could be your hit. Right? Once you find that 233, that could be your hit in your state. You gotta watch it, you gotta write it down, and make sure you be open-minded. You get what I'm saying? Hell, that 413 might come back in your state. You know what I mean? The number that you ended up getting that we don't really use, but we use to see the 1 plus 3 is 1. I mean 1 plus 2 gives you 3. That number may, y'all get what I'm saying. Hopefully y'all get what I'm saying. That number may be the hit. You gotta keep your information, go back and look at your information and alter it in order. Watch it, use it the way I use it for a couple of draws. If nothing's hitting, use this information and alter it and figure it, because you see it, you know, then you alter it so it fits your state, your state's lottery. You get what I'm saying? That's how you gonna trap them, man. That's how you gonna get better at this. I'm telling you. Now 211. What we gonna do with that 211? You got it. Use right. 0, 2, minus 2, right? You're gonna do 2, 1, 1. Now right here, like we said earlier, 1 plus what gives you 3? Plus 2. So we're going to find 1 plus what is going to give us what? 1 plus 2 is going to give us 3. So we got 3, 5. We just add our number 7. 7 and 2 is 9. 1. 1, 9, 7, 5, 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I hope we got the right number. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we do. Plus 2. We're going to look at that second number. That second number is key. Oh my gosh, another one too. I don't even know how long this video is. If it's longer than 22 minutes, this video gonna take about 24 hours to run it. It don't matter though. We good. 1 plus 2 gives you 3. Right? So that's the second. That's the number that we're looking at. The second column. That's how you're gonna find your exact hit. The second number here is 1. So 1 plus 2, just like this, it gotta equal 3. So it's not gonna say 213. It's gonna say 3 plus 2 gives you 5. That's a 9. That's not it. 5 plus 2 gives you what? 7. That's your hit. 7 plus 2 gives you 9. That's not your hit. Once you find that first number that says that equal what you looking for, the plus 2, you good. You ain't even got to look at the rest of the numbers. You get what I'm saying? 257 would be our hit. 257 would be our hit. You dig me? Y'all got me? That's 2 times I went over it. The first time was the core. Second time was the full explanation. Right? And you could take the 211 and do the 0, minus 2, and plus 2. And only use the second number. Right? Only use the second number. Now, another thing that I mentioned in the video was, say you know what the hit sum is, right? Say you know after, say 6 more 6, and you know the hit sum is going to be 1. Right? you know the hit sum is going to be 1, right? So now you just use that 2, 1, 1, right? The 0, 2, minus 2. You're going to do the same. It's going to be, I don't know why you erased it. Same rundown. 2 and 1 is 3, 5, 7, 9. 2 and 1 is 9, 7, 5, 3, 2, 2, 2. Right? Now, with this method, if you know what the hit sum is going to be, if you're one of those people that know you good at guessing what the hit sum is going to be, now this even odd thing, it doesn't mean anything. You're not going to be looking for even odd number. It may come out like that, but once you start doing this and you're predicting what the hit sum is going to be, you know it's going to be 1. Now you're just looking at these first 2 numbers, right? These first 2 numbers. 4 plus what gives you 1? 4 plus 7, right? So anything plus 7 over here. So you're going to be looking, 2 plus 7 gives you what? 9. 2 plus 7 gives you 9. That 293 would be, now 293 may be your hit. Maybe your hit, not 293, but whatever number you come out with right there may be your state hit. But from my experience, 29 is the pair. It's the front pair. Now 29 ended up being, we're gonna get that switched over. We're gonna go ahead and erase this so we have some space. But 29, we're looking for 1. 29, that's the front 2 pair, right? Once you got that, you can just play the pair, excuse me, 29 front. That's it. But we know 2 and 9 is what? 1. So you just add a 0. 290 will be your hit if you know the hit sum is gonna be 1. Y'all get what I'm saying? Now that could come straight, or it could come something like 902 if I'm not mistaken. You will figure it out. Once you look at it and you do it and you see that works, you will figure out which way it came. You get what I'm saying? A box hit is better than no hit. You get what I'm saying? So I think that covers it, man. I think that covers it. Like I said, this is a method in which I use this method frequent. I haven't been using it here lately. Sometimes I might do it and then I might get sidetracked and I'll be like, all right, don't worry about it. I ain't gonna play nothing. Or like I said, when I dream numbers, I'm playing those numbers, and if it's nowhere near it, I'm not playing it. I let go of that 938, I'm not playing it. That 638, I'm not playing it. The 731, I'm not playing it anymore. I'm still on that 2121, yes sir. What else? What else? Pick 3. I let go of a few of those numbers, man, because I'm not gonna ride no numbers like for so long. My pops always tell me, "Oh, you dream of them, you gotta keep it in for 7 days." I'm not about that life. You feel me? I'm not about that life. But I would like to say this. I dreamed the number 6,000. I gotta get into my lotto heads, man. If you made it through this video right here this long, that's your gift from me to you. 6,000. I dreamed 6,000. So it may not come where I am, but if it come where you at, congratulations. I just blessed you with $600. That's how much it should be for Fed City any order. Till next time, man. It's been your boy Twin, man. Hopefully the quality is great. We good. I know this probably been about 30 minutes. I don't even know how long it's been, man. But till next time, it's been your boy Twin. Look, man, let me know how the quality is. Let me know if y'all loving this type of video, cause we went in, man. It's not the same. It's nowhere near the same video. You get what I'm saying? Hopefully, I explained it slow enough for my slow people. The guy that I blocked told me that I speak so fast, and he said, "Did I say you heard me?" I never said you heard me in that previous video. I said, "Do you get me? Do you understand me?" See, the way I try to teach things is that I'm relating to. He said that when I said you heard me, it shows that I'm low class or some shit like that. What makes you think it's low class speech? That's what he said. My question to you, motherfucker, what makes you think that I want to be classified as high class? Bitch, I'm a man for the people. I am the people. You get what I'm saying? So even if I am a fucking billionaire, when I become that billionaire, you think I'm gonna forget about my people? See, you talking to the wrong motherfucker. I'm gonna fix my speech because of you? Come on, bro. You must not seen enough of my videos, motherfucker. Till next time, man, it's be your boy Twin. Look, man, be yourself or be everybody else. And I'm out. Peace.
Homie, you ain't really like that. Stop playing like about that. You the type get uppercut in your ass for your own fight. That's all right, homie, you ain't really like that.